Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open GMC van hood step by step. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and visually locating the hood release lever near the left kick panel. Pull the lever firmly until you hear the hood pop. Move to the front of the van and find the secondary safety latch under the grille center. Depress or lift that latch while raising the hood with both hands and secure it with the prop rod. Sit comfortably and reach for the primary hood release lever inside the cabin, usually near the driver left kick panel. Pull the lever straight toward you with steady pressure until you hear the hood pop partially open. If it does not move, try a few firm tugs while avoiding jerky motions. When it releases, step outside to the front of the van to address the secondary latch before fully raising the hood. If you're finding this walkthrough useful, please subscribe and like to support more hands-on videos. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and I mention it because a calm budget makes van projects less stressful. Check the description for the link and deals, pick up a copy if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. With the hood slightly popped, move to the front and locate the secondary safety latch beneath the hood edge. Reach under the center, feel for the latch tab, and either push it inward or lift it depending on your model. While holding the latch, lift the hood up with both hands smoothly. Once open, secure the hood using the prop rod or check that gas struts hold it firmly before releasing your hands.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.